Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. It's an exciting time for us because we have two new hand welders, the RiOn 2 and the RiOn 2 Digital. In this video we are going to focus on the RiOn 2 Digital. Okay, let's go!
Meet the RiOn 2 Digital. Digital, precise and made for perfection. With well thought out features and effortless handling, it delivers flawless results every time. RiOn 2 Digital, innovation in every detail. Let's see how the RiOn 2 Digital is operating. First, we plug it in. Now the light on the main switch goes on, and the display will look like this. The motor is not running now. We push the main switch and the motor starts running. With the air button here, we can adjust the airflow. There are 5 levels available to choose from. We push the sun button to activate the heat. We can adjust our desired temperature with the potentiometer and double check in the display. The LED light and the BIK logo in the display will be blinking as long as the temperature is not stable. Once the temperature is reached, the LED light and the BIK logo in the display will stay stable and you can start your weld. You can still adjust the airflow if you like. If you want to go for a break and don't want to turn the tool off, but still would like to save some energy, you can make use of the eco mode. With this function, the air will be turned down and you can save energy, but once you are back, the tool will be ready to get back to work very fast. To get into the eco mode, please push the sun button for 3 seconds straight. If you return to work and want to get out of the eco mode, push again the sun button, but this time quickly. If you're done working and want to switch off the tool, you can initiate the cool down mode. For this, push the main button. Now you will see a snowflake in the display, which means it's in cool down mode. Also, the LED is not on anymore. This is another sign that the heat is off. Now you wait until the tool is cooled down. For more information, please refer to the operating manual or write us an email or send us a WhatsApp.